Welcome back to Packaging in 60 Seconds. My name's Lisa and today we are going to answer some of your plastic tax questions. Start the timer, Dan. The plastic tax applies to companies that produce or import plastic products that contain less than 30% recycled materials. Plastic packaging prices will likely rise because of the high demand of PCR polymer, meaning it could become more expensive than virgin polymer in the future. The company that imports or produces plastic with less than 30% recycled content will be liable to pay, weigh and report the plastic tax. Yes, all mainstream plastics are taxed, including biodegradable and compostable. This is subject to change. If the plastic material is a 50-50 split with paper, then it won't be taxed. Any packaging that is predominantly plastic, the tax will apply and be priced on the total weight of the packaging material. Thanks for watching Packaging in 60 Seconds. You can find a full list of plastic tax FAQs in our digital plastic tax guide on our website. We are helping businesses by offering a free, no obligation plastic packaging review. Give us a call on this number. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Packaging in 60 Seconds.